Hello, future Spartans. I am Dr. Javon Adams Gaston, President of Norfolk State University, and it is my pleasure to welcome you to our Spartan Virtual Open House. Last fall, we proudly celebrated 85 years of educational excellence as a leading institution of higher education in the Commonwealth of Virginia. Norfolk State University is not only the largest HBCU in Virginia, we are also one of the most affordable. Last year, U.S. News and World Report ranked Norfolk State as a top 20 HBCU. We have made these historic strides because of our amazing community of faculty, staff, and alumni who are dedicated to the success of our students. We have amazing academic programs that include our health sciences, cyber psychology, social work, nursing, cybersecurity, and performing arts programs. You can choose from more than 31 bachelor's degree programs, 14 master's degree programs, and 3 doctoral programs. We are committed to excellence and your success both in and out of the classroom. Norfolk State University is a historical and cultural landmark in the city of Norfolk. We have produced more than 35,000 alumni, and today we want you to be a part of that legacy. I want you to know that this is a wonderful place to be because from the moment you walk onto this campus, you are valued and appreciated by every Spartan. Our goal is for you to leave this university with a degree in hand and to be day one ready to enter the workforce or to seek an advanced degree program. We believe and support your success. We see the future in you, and that future is very bright. Again, I say welcome to the Spartan community and behold the green and gold.
Greetings and welcome to Norfolk State University. I am Dr. Devanna Fulton, Provost and Vice President for Academic Affairs. I do hope that you and your families are all safe and healthy, and I want to thank you for joining us today. Our commitment to NSU students is evident in the enormous amount of work devoted to creating a meaningful showcase of the wonderful environment and excellent academic opportunities here at Norfolk State University. Excellence is our #1 core value, and academic excellence is at the center of that value. NSU provides students with 21st century skills for 21st century careers. Our academic programs are designed to prepare you to be successful professionals in whatever field you choose at NSU. We offer academic excellence in 29 undergraduate and 17 graduate programs in areas across the academic spectrum. The College of Liberal Arts is the university's largest college and offers the broadest range of disciplines, including humanities, social sciences, and visual, performing, and fine arts. The School of Business is accredited by AACSB International and concentrates on undergraduate business education to prepare students to be business leaders. The School of Education features teacher education programs and offers one of only 2 accredited kinesiotherapy programs in the country. The Ethelyn R. Strong School of Social Work has been called the flagship school of social work in the region, with programs at each academic level: a Bachelor of Social Work, Master of Social Work, and Doctor of Philosophy in Social Work. The Robert C. Nussbaum Honors College provides academically enriched and challenging programs for social engagement for high academic achieving and highly motivated students in all disciplines. The School of Graduate Studies and Research provides administration for the university's graduate programs and supports student researchers as they complete their graduate studies. Our nationally and internationally recognized faculty are committed to teaching students and conducting research that has an impact on the world. in addition to excellent academic programs. NSU operates 12 centers and institutes that enhance teaching and research for faculty and students. If your interest is in space exploration, our Institute for Space and Science Exploration offers opportunities for you to work with faculty to contribute to the Mars rover project for NASA. For those entrepreneurial types, the NSU Innovation Center on the Main has an incubator program to assist minorities to launch creative ideas and put themselves in a position to secure venture capital dollars. The center has recently received wide public recognition. While we're currently seeing increased attention toward race and injustice, these issues are not new or going away anytime soon. The Center for African American Public Policy is an NSU think tank that explores and produces nonpartisan research on public policy that affects African Americans and other people of color. Additionally, this center spearheaded organizing a U.S. Senate debate hosted by Norfolk State University. Our students were privileged to ask questions of the candidates during this debate, which was broadcast around the Commonwealth and in Washington, D.C. At NSU, we know that preparing students to be first day ready is critical for professional success. For this reason, students have numerous internship opportunities in business and industry, education, government, and civic and community organizations. We live in a globally interconnected world, and each of us must be engaged as global citizens. Our international education and study abroad opportunities provide the kind of knowledge that broadens perspective for students and is essential for humanity and our national progress. I am moved by the words of educator Dr. Mary McLeod Bethune, who said, "The progress of the world will call for the best that all of us have to give." At Norfolk State University, we give students the best we have so that they can do the same and contribute to the growth and development of the world in which we live. And I remind you to behold the green and gold.